Hello? I'm Mercer Patterson, not Ross Patterson. Whoa.
Thank you.